Ultimate puppy battle. Kill him. That's it. Get him, homie. Get him. Oh shit. Oh shit. This is too violent. Oh damn, nigga. Get that motherfucker. Ooh. What's up, homie? What's up? You think you're crazy? You ain't crazy. What's up? Oh shit. Hell yeah. Get some. Get you some. Get him. Oh shit. Ah, this motherfucker. De la verga. What's up? What's up? What's up? Boom. Boom, bitch. Where you going? Where you going? Fucking idiot. The fuck's he fighting? No, nah. Nah, you started this shit. Now you gonna end it, bitch. Ah, he's killing him. Holy shit. Get that motherfucker. Fucking rip his neck off. Woo! Fucking shit. Michael Vick, here I come. Fuck your shit. What you know about this, homie? Oh, with the takedown. Oh my god, he's got him in a fucking headlock. What's up? Woo! Can't even keep up with him. God damn. Hey, don't fucking you guys, you're done, you're done, you're done? You're done? Oh, he ain't done. He ain't done. Okay, no, now he's done. Fucking fat ass lazy motherfucker. And the fight continues. Over a piece of paper. Who will be victorious? Who will be crowned Puppy of the Year? Shit, shit, oh damn. Woohoo! Damn. You guys done? Alright, fuck y'all.